Welcome back, student. Now we are going to discuss some method of preparation of benzene. Okay, in last class we discussed structure of benzene, nomenclature of benzene, derivative, monosubstituted benzene, disubstituted benzene, trisubstituted benzene, etc. And now we are going to discuss in preparation of benzene. There are various methods to prepare benzene. Out of these, only three are we are going to conduct. We are discussing here. Now first, from acetylene, CH triple bond CH. Okay, now in this method what we have to do, see, we have to pass acetylene gas through red hot iron tube, okay, at 873 Kelvin. What we have to do, this is the, suppose this is red hot iron tube, hollow tube. From this end we have to pass acetylene gas, and we have to heat. This tube is heated at 873 Kelvin, and then from this side we are getting benzene. Just rough idea. Okay, so inside this tube we have to pass from this end acetylene gas, and from another end we are getting benzene, like this. Just imagine. So see, benzene is obtained. How this reaction takes place, I will try to explain. How bond form. See, this is acetylene molecule, second acetylene molecule. Trimerization. Trimerization means three molecules polymerized together. Three molecules of acetylene compound polymerized together. That is called trimerization. Like this. Then red hot tube at 873 Kelvin temperature. Okay. Then trimerization take place like this. Okay. You will get benzene. Like this. 6 hydrogen atom. Okay. So this is the first method. From acetylene, just pass the gas of acetylene through red hot iron tube at 873 Kelvin. Then trimerization take place, means three molecules of acetylene polymerized together, trimerized together, combined together to give benzene molecule. Okay, this is one of the method. Second, from sodium benzoate. From sodium benzoate. Sodium benzoate. See, we know benzoic acid, benzene, carboxyl group attached, that is called benzoic acid. Benzoic acid. Okay. Now this is acid. When this acid react with base like NaOH, alkali, sodium hydroxide, that is base. This is acid and this is base. When this acid, one molecule of acid and one molecule of base react together, neutralization take place. Acid base reaction, neutralization reaction take place and form salt, and the name of that salt is like this: carboxyl group Na plus, carboxylate ion. That is sodium benzoate. It is like this: benzene ring having attachment COONA. That is called sodium benzoate. Benzoate and water. This is the well-known reaction. When acid react with base, gives salt plus water. This is salt. Sodium salt of benzoic acid. Sodium salt of benzoic acid is formed with water. Now, from this sodium salt of benzoic acid, we have to prepare benzene. Okay. Then what we have to take? We have to take sodium benzoate. Initially, see, sodium benzoate. This sodium benzoate is treated with soda lime. Soda lime is a combination of NaOH and CaO. Fused. Fused means strong heating. Strong heating. We have to heat this sodium salt of benzoic acid with soda lime. Soda lime is a combination of NaOH and CaO. Then see what happens. This will eliminate as Na2CO3, sodium carbonate, like this. COONA NaO means 2 sodium atom, 1 carbon and 3 oxygen. Okay, and remaining part, that is benzene ring and this hydrogen, get coupled together, combined together, form bond and give like this, and this is benzene. This is benzene. Actually, this reaction we have seen in alkane, preparation of alkane from carboxylic acid, sodium salt of carboxylic acid. This method is given in the preparation of alkane. Similarly, now here we have taken aromatic sodium salt of carboxylic acid, aromatic compound. Okay, same reaction, soda lime, NaOH, CaO. Fused means only 2 compounds we have to heat together. Water free reaction, sodium salt of benzoate, sodium benzoate and soda lime fused together, giving benzene and Na2CO3 molecule. Okay, this is second method, and third method is from phenol. Phenol. Phenol means hydroxyl benzene. Hydroxyl group attached to benzene, that is called phenol. OH. This is phenol. Hydroxyl phenol. Phenol. Now, in this method, what we have to do? This phenol is heated with zinc dust. Just heat with zinc. Okay. Then what happen? Undergo reduction reaction and form ZNO like this. This is benzene. Oxygen atom and zinc combine together, zinc oxide. It will form zinc oxide and hydrogen get attached to benzene ring. That is removal of oxygen, therefore it is reduction. This is reduction method. Okay. So these are the 3 simple methods for the preparation of benzene. First from acetylene, second from sodium salt of benzoic acid, and third from phenol. Okay. So these are the method for the preparation of generally used in the preparation of benzene. In next class, we will discuss the chemical, physical properties of aromatic compound or benzene. Okay. Thank you very much.